How I know when a trend is weakening. This is how I know when a trend is weakening. First, when I open my market and I find a trend, for example, now let's say this trend right here, this is a downtrend. This is a downtrend that was coming down. This is not a trend now, I'm just showing you that this is a downtrend that was coming down. So as it was coming down, price got to a point and it began to fail to create new low. So the first thing on how I know when a trend is weakening is failure to create a new low. And this is it right here. You can see when the price gets here, the market slowed down and it went up and failed to create new low. And unfortunately, from failing to create a new low, the price got broke out. You can see it right here where the price broke out. So it's changed trend on the H4 time frame. So this is how I know that a trend is weakening. Number two is change of structure. You understand? Change of structure. Number one, I said fail to create a new low, or maybe fail to create a new high. For a downtrend, it's fail to create a new low. Those are signs of trend weakens. You understand? And the lows are like your major lows, not from your 5 minutes or maybe your 15 minutes, are from maybe the D1 time frame mostly, or the higher time frame mostly. Those are where you know that a trend is weakening based on what time frame are you trading from exactly. You understand? So when this happens, you see a break of structure here and the markets change structure from downtrend to uptrend. You can see it right here, the market change structure to uptrend. So it begins to buy in this phase and it begins to buy so long. You can see how the buy was going. The market was creating higher high and higher low, higher high and higher low, just like that. The market has been going just like that, just like that. You can see the market. These are the major lows. You understand? The major lows, those are where you watch out for mostly. You understand? Because those are the levels where professional traders, those institutional, those hedge funds traders, those are the major levels they mostly focus on. Those are how they drive price. They mostly look at those big levels because most times they don't look at those small price levels because it does not really count, because the higher time frame is what drives the lower time frame. So they do want to look at those major levels on the higher time frame. You understand? So you can see this trend. This is where the price market now change trend. You can see it right here. This is how I know a trend is weakening. Remember, this is the first thing I said, fail to create a new low. In this case, this is an uptrend, so it will be fail to create a new high. So now you see, this is fail to create a new higher high. This is a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, then higher high. Then the market now came to even take this low, but this is the major one actually. So this is the major one, major low here. Then this is the major high here. Then going to break this high to continue the trend after the market has did this retracement move, as it continued to buy, it fails to create a new high. You see the market now fall down and take out this major low. So this now shows the change of structure. This change of structure. So number one, I said the first thing to know when the trend is weakening, I said it's called fail to create a new high. You understand? And number two is change of structure. That is when you know the trend is weakening. In this case, once you see something like this, when you find out that the market failed to create a new high in a major high on the higher time frame, you avoid trading that trend for the moment. You understand? You wait for the market to tell you if it's going to break the high or is going to respect it and respect the level and change structure. So you wait to see what is going to happen. That is when you get to be patient. You understand? So in this case, the market told us that it was done with this trend, yeah, and it told us again that it was also done with the trend, yeah. This is the first sign. Then this is the second sign. So the market fell down and began to trend bearish. You can see the market start to trend downtrend. It's changed from uptrend to downtrend. So this is how I know a trend is weakening. If you can actually get to understand this simple concept of mine, you would know that you easily know anytime you open your chart that this trend is weakening, that I need to get patient for the market to create a new structure, or let me see what's going to happen next in the market. So you can see that is how you use to read price. You use it to read where the market is going. You use it to read the structure. That is simple price action for you. That is why I love price action, because it's just like me seeing what the market is going to do. Like the market is telling me this is what I'm going to do due to the price action. You understand? So thanks for watching. Share this video, guys, and subscribe. Turn off your notification bell so whenever I drop a video like this, you easily get notified. See you in the next one. Peace out.